Hey, so people on the internet, they love to argue. Give humans the anonymity of the internet and a mildly controversial topic and pretty soon everyone is taking part in the who's the biggest arse competition. But there are certain discussions you see over and over again, and very often those discussions are fueled by misconceptions, especially misconceptions about science. So here's one common issue. The word theory. In everyday language, in everyday life, a theory is something untested, unproven, something that someone just came up with one day. I have a theory, people say, as if it could just pop into your head. But that's not what a theory is in science. In science, a theory is an explanation of something we see around us in the natural world that has been supported by repeated testing and is widely accepted as accurate. It's about as close as you can get to a law of nature without actually being a law. A scientific theory can contain any number of hypotheses, facts, laws, observations, complex mathematics, all wrapped together to explain a phenomenon. It puts all those things together to explain something about the physical world as fully as possible. So when people talk about the theory of evolution or climate change theory and put the theory part in quotes, somehow to demean it and say, well, it's just a theory, in science that's like saying, hey, it's just a thing that explains everything we see and is widely accepted as true and accurate. So in short, if you're saying that, it really doesn't mean what you think it means. What people probably mean by theory is what scientists call a hypothesis, which is the first step and really not even close to an actual theory. But as much as it's confusing for people, I am glad that we use the word theory in science. Because using the word theory reflects an important part of how science works, of the philosophy behind it. No matter how sure you are of something in science, it's never a fact. It's never the truth. Even when something has huge amounts of evidence to support it, even when you would think a person completely crazy to go against it, even then, nothing is certain. In science, nothing ever is. It's just highly, 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 highly likely to be true. There's always a chance that even our most complex, well-developed and well-evidenced laws will turn out to be nothing more than an approximation. Something that maybe explains what we see, but is only one part of a greater truth. Science is forever open to new data, new observations, and new thinking. And that is what makes science so powerful. I wish I could say this video will end the misuse of the word theory, but unfortunately I think that battle is a never-ending one. But at least you guys won't make that mistake. And until next time, keep questioning.